Can't hear us?
can hear
आपके
you.
लैपटॉप का जो स्पीकर है वो
हेलो
म्यूट होगा आई थिंक अभी।
हेलो
सन्नी जी आप सुन पा रहे हैं हमें?
भैया आई कांट हियर यू एनीवन। आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं?
हाँ सनी, we can hear you.
Yes.
हेलो आतिका जी।
सन्नी जी आई थिंक अच्छा फोन करना पड़ेगा।
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
मॉर्निंग।
Morning.
Good morning, Atika ji. Good morning.
Morning. Can I mute myself?
Yeah, sure.
Pawan ji, can you just call me, please?
ओके।
भैया मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा कुछ भी। मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा आपकी आवाज। हेलो ओके 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 हाँ ठीक है ठीक है। अभी अभी शायद आप लोग सुन सकते हैं।
सन्नी जी आपको आ रही है हमारी आवाज?
हाँ जी संगम कैसे हैं?
ऑल गुड ऑल गुड ऑल गुड। थैंक यू।
तो कुछ डिस्कशन करना है भैया दीदी with दीपक सर एंड संगम जी।
We are live now, so just want to inform you. People can watch us and can hear us as well. And we'll start.
You can just Deepak ji brief the program, how the program will conducted.
Yes, just let me give me 1 minute. Once we will go live, then I'll brief. Let me go live on the YouTube.
Yes, we need to stop that for now, no?
Sunny, your audio problem sorted?
Yes.
Okay, good.
पवन सर ये आपका सरनेम तायल है या ताइला है सर?
ऐसा है जी, पुराने जमाने में जैसे राम का रामा हो गया था, ऐसे ही तायल का तायला हो गया था। तो हमारे पूर्वजों ने किसी ने स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक कर दी थी, अब वो चली आ रही है।
जैसा हमारा गोत्र भी तायल ही है ना, इसलिए मैं
हाँ तो बिल्कुल वही है, हम भी तायल गोत्री ही हैं।
अच्छा
बनियों में अगर 1-2 जनरेशन पीछे जाए ना तो सबके आपस में हम भाई बहन ही हैं।
हाँ जी।
बनियों में कहीं ना कहीं से रिलेशन भी निकल आता है अगर आप बात करने बैठे हैं और सब कहीं ना कहीं से इंटरलिंक है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
So
तो ये
भैया
ग्रुप दीपक जी एंड संगम जी, जो ग्रुप है हमारा, ये ज्यादातर प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मिक्स?
ज्यादातर प्रोफेशनल्स रहेंगे एंड देन स्टूडेंट्स, सो 70% विल बी ऑफ प्रोफेशनल्स,
mainly CA students and some schools teachers also, parents also,
अच्छा,
but 70% they are the professionals.
ठीक है।
दीपक जी वो एक बार YouTube में डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल देना।
मैंने डाल दिया है, यू कैन चेक।
परफेक्ट
एंड मैंने आपको YouTube स्ट्रीमिंग लिंक भी दे दिया है, सो यू कैन चेक इफ एनी मॉडिफिकेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड।
श्योर
in the
How
chat
many
box.
people are we normally expecting in this group, Sangam ji?
Ma'am, actually it depend upon the session and topic and the speaker as well.
Okay.
Generally we have when we start our some courses, like recently we are conducted one India AS course. On that first day we have a 900 participants on first day.
So what kind of a course was that?
It was course on the text program, international text course we have launched it.
Okay.
So on that, see, it depends what kind of program, and nowadays there is a series of webinars going on since last 30-35 days. So people are a little bit irritated as well, and they do not want to join as well. So and if I talk about today's program, so we have got around 400 registrations. So let's see how many of them can join here.
Right. Wonderful.
So we cannot commit this thing because we might get registration.
Just for my knowledge, I'm asking, because we are doing so many seminars these days that it's good to know.
We can share you the registration details. That there are around 400 people who have done the registration.
Yeah, so it will be very nice if you can share it with us. At least we know which kind of people are interested in meditation and mind hacks and all that. It'll really help us.
Sure.
Otherwise, Deepak bhai, I believe there are more than 3,000 plus members we have in our group, right?
Yes.
Not more than 3,000. The message we are sharing, it is going to more than 5,000 or say 6,000 people.
Oh, great.
Because in the evening we are going to start one Excel certification course.
Right,
and for that we have got around 700, 800 registrations as of now.
I'm also there.
Yeah, you're also there. So people are more interested in 3 days course, 4 days course nowadays instead of going for one single session. So that's why we are generally conducting 2-3 days program, and where they are getting certificate as well. So yesterday we have completed one course on Ind AS and IFRS. Pawanji, you must be knowing Ind AS and IFRS.
Wow.
Ritika ma'am, for you it's new word. But for Ind AS and IFRS, we have got around 2,000 plus registrations.
Wow. Wonderful.
And there were 1,000 people live on day one, and on international taxation also there were 1,000 people on the day one. So when they know that the things are available on the YouTube, then 3-4 days onwards, they were thinking that since it's available on the YouTube, we will see later on, as per their own convenience. So that is also one of the case.
On our first day India's course, we have around 6,000 views on that video.
Awesome.
And for international taxation, total views are more than 20,000. Total views on the all videos. So somehow 5 to 6,000 common views we found in our videos. Maximum people are not joining live also because of their office and other works. But as they know that video is also available on YouTube channel, so later they come in the evening and afternoon they see the video. And the message which we want to pass on, that generally pass on to our participants.
Thank you.
And in last 40 days, we have conducted more than 40 webinars on different topics, including courses, and around cover more than 30,000 chartered accountants and other professionals.
You guys are being envied over the in this profession these days. Like the number of webinars you are conducting. And that's great. I was talking about this with many professionals, Sangam Bhaiya. Like I was talking with Gaurav Bhaiya, I was talking with Nitin Bhaiya. They were all praising that yes, they have picked up great, and it's really nice कि हमारा प्रोफेशन सच में उठ के आ रहा है, इतने सारे वेबिनार सब कुछ कर रहे हैं.
आज का सिनेरियो मुझे लगता है कि आगे वाला ट्रेंड ना ये डिजिटल का ही है, बेसिकली कि डिजिटल सर्विस कैसे देनी है आपको, डिजिटल नॉलेज कैसे क्रिएट करनी है.
Right.
अब now no one interested to go to physical classes and doing there.
So we are 11:30. Shall we start now?
Yes, just give us 1 or 2 minutes so that
Sure.
some participants.
Sure.
You can take your time. It's all right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think people are joining. Let's 100 people join here, then we'll start. I think in a minute we'll cross 100.
Within second only.
What would you like the medium of instruction to be, Hindi or English?
Mix of both will work because there are people from south as well and from north as well.
Oh.
So we always advise all the faculties to choose their own convenience, whatever medium you would like to use, because we have mix of people. So 30% or 20% people is from south as well. So we always face this problem in all our webinars that whether should be in English or Hindi. So that's why we recommend mix of both. It will suffice purpose for north as well as for the south.
Sure.
Only, ma'am, a single request. Whenever you speak any important part, basically, which is crux of anything,
Right.
that should be repeated in English or Hindi both.
Done. Very good. That's what I wanted to know. Very
So we are 100 plus participants. Shall we start now?
Now we are starting. So good morning, everyone. and I welcome you all in our today's webinar. And our today's topic is on the Art of Living course. And today we have faculty from Art of Living Foundation, which has been founded by Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar ji. And today we have CA Pawan Tayal ji, Atika ji, and CA Sunny ji. I welcome all of you. And along with us, we have CA Sangam Agarwal, who is the co-organizer along with me, and CA Pratibha Goyal, who is the moderator of the session. I welcome all of you, and I welcome all our participants who have joined on Facebook as well as on the YouTube as well as on the Zoom. And friends, like since last 3-4 days, I'm telling this thing on daily basis on all the webinars that we professionals do not take care about our health. We always go behind our clients' priorities like GST returns we need to file, income tax returns we need to file. Whatever clients say we do, we are client ka phone maa jayega, so we'll leave everything and we'll go and rush for the client's work. But apart from that, we should need and we need to take care of our health as well. And our health is more important than any work, whether it's our work or whether it's client's work. And therefore, we have organized this webinar session. And in our earlier sessions, we have told that in Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we will try to bring something which is not related to the finance or not related to the taxation, which topic will be on the for the family purpose. So that's why we have approached Art of Living Foundation, and I had word with Sunny ji, and he said within a minute he agreed, let's do one program on Art of Living on your platform. And we are happy that Art of Living team is here. Pawan Tayal ji here, Atika is here, and Sunny is here. So it's good for us, and now I think you will take care will get the benefit from these renowned faculties of Art of Living. They will help us in meditation. They will help us in how we can increase our health and how we can have our new ways of art of living. So now, without wasting much time, I will hand over to Sangamji, who will give a brief introduction about our today's faculty, and then we will proceed further for our today's session.
Thank you, Deepak ji. Good morning, all the participants and the panelists. I express my sincere thanks and welcome to all the panelists to come on this platform. And thanks, Deepak ji, for organizing this such a beautiful program, which is really in need of a time. I used to say, we used to say earlier, health is wealth. But now, friends, that phrase is very well known to all of us. But nowadays, health is also divided into 3 and 4 parts. Sometimes our mental health is very important, physical health is also important, and our thoughts is very much important to discuss what is actually wealth for you. So just saying that health is wealth and doing physical exercise, it's not make you wealthy. To become wealthy in your life, it's mentally healthy is very much important. And friends, I just understand this fact from last 2 and 3 years, last 5 years, people are more aware about their mental health also. Earlier, people are not giving much more time and money on this part, especially. So it is really very important to understand what is your mental health, because many of us are not aware these things. Many of us are say don't take stress. I think it's not practical possible to take stress or not, because it's not our hand. It automatic things are done in our life. By doing that, we are taking stress automatically. So mental health is very much important for all of us. And friends, I think today's session will also let you know what is stress actually and how to overcome that, and mentally how we can become physically mentally strong. So not taking much time, as Deepak ji told Pawan sir, we are organizing one program at least on health, basically whether mental health, physical health, or especially on weekends, we try to have one program. Earlier, we also done 2 programs. One is for Vimal Chadar sir from the Nagpur. He done a very good program on the heart, basically. Before that, we also done one program on a motivational, in which Shankar Goenka ji came and motivated all the participants. So in the same series, we have organized this program. So not taking much time, I am just going to the brief profile of the today's speaker. First speaker is basically Atika Dalia ji, and she is a transformational executive coach and image brand consultant. She is also a TEDx speaker. She is yoga and meditation expert. She hasn't been appointed at Ministry of Ayush to promote yoga and wellness in India and abroad. Along with her, we have a CA Pawan Tayal ji from our own community. He is CFO, published, spent, happiness coach and speaker, 20-year experience of leadership across industry, driving profitable growth, creating value and nourishing talent. Along with that, we have our own brother, CA Sanni Tanwarji. He is a fellow member of ICI and managing partner of NSKT and Company LLP. He got more than 7 years of post experience. Sunny has been passionate for social welfare and associate with Art of Living Foundation from 2015. Sunny is very good friend of mine, even for both, and he requests and he approached us for this program, and for without having second thought, we told that it is a need of a time, so let's do it as soon as possible. So I will not take much program and request my all the panelists of today to start the program. Now I hand you over to, I think, Atika ji, you will start.
Yes, Atika ji.
So it's a great pleasure to be here, and I'm thanking so much Sangam ji and Deepak ji for inviting us, and Sunny ji for coordinating this effort. So one thing at the onset, which I want to tell everybody is, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for investing your 1 hour with us. I don't know the next 2 weeks, next 2 months, next few months, what they store in for us, you know. इसका कुछ पता नहीं है कि अगले 2 हफ्ते या 2 महीने हमारे लिए क्या लेके आने वाले हैं. But एक बात तो तय है, one thing which I'm really, really sure about is कि जो हम आज सीखने वाले हैं, आज सुनने वाले हैं, वो हमारे जीवन भर काम आने वाला है. What we are going to be learning today, what we are going to be listening today, what we are going to take back home today is going to stay with us for a long, long time and help us in leading our life. And with this, I hand over to Pavan, my dear trainer, who is, we are doing a workshop together soon. So over to you, Pavan.
Namaskar, everybody. And thank you very much, Sangam ji and Deepak ji. As Atika ji said, we're really honored. And all the people who are listening to us, we're really honored to be here. Thanks for Study Cafe for inviting us, and Sunny for coordinating. It's really challenging times. And, I'm from the community, and I can really understand for us who are actually first taking care of our own financial well-being, and then actually taking care of others, our clients or our colleagues' financial well-being. It is very, very important to make sure that our own mental and physical well-being is there. Only then we can really guide others. Isn't that so? And these are such challenging times, but every time we go through challenging times, I'm sure all of you have seen, when we are going through the challenging time, it is very tough. But when we come out of the challenging time, we always feel very excited because we've learned something new. Hasn't that happened with all of us? We come back and we see that, something new, either there's an enhanced confidence, or there is a new skill that we have learned, or, it's just a general feel good factor that, wow, we passed through the situation. But when we are in the midst of that situation, it always sounds tough. Yeah. So it's like, we like masala in our khana, right? But when a new accounting started, like, Deepak ji and Sangam ji, we were talking about just now about Ind AS and, various standards that keep coming. When these standards come, we say, another standard that has come. But, that is what is spice of life for us accountants, isn't it? When we study that standard, or we take that standard to our clients, or we take that standard and apply it, that's when we feel excited. If you have to if you have to do the same thing over and over and over again, life gets very boring. We need a strong stomach for digesting this masala, a spicy food. Similarly, we need a very, very strong mind, a balanced mind, a peaceful mind, a calm mind to enjoy the masala of life. And that's where we are not prepared. I feel that, it is like, if today we were to go from our office, from our house to the office, how much time will it take? It will take about 15-20 minutes. Isn't that so? What do you say, Deepak? Take about 15-20 minutes. And the same distance, if you were to cover during a peak time, when there was peak traffic in the roads and, morning peak time traffic, how much time was it taking us? Yeah, anything from 1 hour to 1.5 hours, isn't it? So, the same traffic, the same distance we are covering either in 1.5 hours or in 15 minutes. The difference is traffic. The same traffic jam is happening in our mind. And this traffic jam is nothing but emotional traffic. There's a lot of emotional traffic that we are carrying all the time in our mind. Now just imagine if there's so much of traffic in the mind, how is our ability to first of all, advise ourselves or to make sure that we are happy, and then to go back and advise our clients or, do some good stuff and do some nice studies and perform nicely, and perform well in our exams. It is not there. So, the key is to make sure that the balance of the mind is absolutely maintained. So what's the technique? Can we manage the mind using the mind? Have we tried that? We've all tried using the mind. So, this negative thought is coming. ये खराब विचार आ रहा है, इसको हटाओ, इसको यहाँ से हटाओ. ऐसे हमने बहुत बार किया है. But क्या होता है, जो विचार को हम हटाना चाहते हैं, whatever we try and push away, whatever we try and resist, that persists. Yeah. So let's do a small exercise. Let us all close our eyes for a minute. Let us close our eyes. Okay. Yeah. Now, don't think of a yellow monkey with a red tail jumping around and dancing. You can think of anything but a yellow monkey with a red tail dancing around. Now let us open our eyes. What did you see? Yellow monkey, right? Yellow monkey with a red tail. Exactly what I asked not to do is what happened. And this is exactly what happens. See, good things or good situations we can all handle very well. But whenever there is something wrong that happens in life, that gets stuck to our mind. And like a yellow monkey, doesn't go away. We try and make sure, oh no, this thought should not come, but it comes again and again and again. For that, we need to have a trick. Now, what's the magic? What's the magic that I have adopted? I will tell you. The magic that I have adopted for this is the breath. It is such a powerful means. It is like sitting in the ocean of energy. Just that we don't know how to take this energy in. We are breathing all the time. See, we eat food, we can stay with food for 1 or 2 days. We drink water, we can stay with water without water for maybe a few hours. We can stay without sleep for also, some time. But without breath, can we stay for more than 1 or 2 minutes? We can't. But are we even concerned about this breath? 80% of the negativity that accumulates, or the emotional garbage that accumulates in our mind, the ability of throwing that garbage is only in our breath. 80% of the ability. Okay. Only a very little ability of, through perspiration or urination or stool that goes out, but 80% through the breath. But are we really consciously taking some activity where we are breathing nicely and making sure we're able to throw this garbage out? So today, what we are going to make sure is we will give you a little bit of glimpse of how we can use this power of breath to help us energize ourselves and throw this garbage away. What do you guys say? You want to learn that? Yes? Are we all prepared to learn? Fantastic. Fantastic. So let's do one thing. Let us all sit, like back straight, neck straight. Let us sit like that.
Pawanji, one request, if you want to communicate with participants, want to ask their answer yes or no, there is chat box. You can say that, they will say yes or no, so
right.
that it will be two-way communication.
Oh, perfect. That's fantastic. Thank you so very much.
Yeah, and there are more than 50 people on YouTube as well, and more than 150 here. So here they can reply, and on YouTube also they are replying in the chat box.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Deepak ji. That's fantastic. If we can communicate with you, we can get your feedback. That will be absolutely wonderful. So let us do one thing. Let us sit with our back straight, neck straight. Sunny ji, you want to guide them through the Bhastrika? We're not able to hear you. You're on mute.
What I'll do is I'll show them. You can guide and I'll show them there.
Okay. So what we will do is Sunny ji will show you, what we have to do. It is a very, very simple technique of using our breath, but doing a little bit of twist in the breathing pattern so that we can really use it as a tool, as an energizer. Okay. So we will keep our palms like this, in front of our shoulders. Our fist is closed. Yeah. And the elbows are touching the rib cage. Yeah, like this. And when I say in, you will take your hands up and open the palms. And you will make your hands straight up, like your biceps are touching the ears. Like this, we go in, breathe in. And as we breathe out, forcefully breathing out, we will bring our hands down and close the palms like this. Okay. So let me show you, and Sunny ji will also show you. Atika ji is also there demonstrating. So you can also just see. So I'll say in, out, in, out, in, out. So just to be clear, as we say in, the hands go up, palms open, and as we breathe out, forcefully breathing out, we bring the hands down and the fist closer. It's a simple technique. जिन लोगों को हिंदी में चाहिए, बड़ा सिंपल है. हाथ मुट्ठी को, ढीली मुट्ठी को कंधों के आगे रखना है. सांस देते हुए हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे, हथेलियां खुल जाएंगी, और जब हाथ नीचे आएंगे, सांस जोर से छोड़ते हुए हाथ को नीचे लाएंगे, मुट्ठी बंद हो जाएगा. और ये सब जो प्रक्रिया करना है, आंख बंद करके करना है. We will do it with our eyes closed, right? So for 2 or 3 times, you keep your eyes open, and then after that, you close your eyes. I will keep counting in, out like this, and you keep doing. Okay, back straight, neck straight. Loose fist in front of the shoulders. Let's make a big smile on the face. A big smile on the face. And take a deep breath in and breathe out. ढीली मुट्ठी कंधों के आगे. Position लें. कोहनियां शरीर को छूती हो. Your elbows gently touching your rib cage. Take a deep breath in and out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Now eyes closed, continue. In, out. 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 And relax. Keep your eyes closed. आंखों को बंद रखें. हथेलियां खुली आकाश की ओर, घुटनों पर. Open palm on your knees, facing the sky. Now just observe the breath and the sensations inside the body. पूरी तरह आपके शरीर में जो भी हो रहा है, उसके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. शरीर को ढीला छोड़ें. Relax your body. Relax your breath. Eyes are closed. Smile on the face. Feel the flow of energy inside the body. पूरे शरीर में जो भी संवेदना है, वहीं ध्यान रखें. We will do one more round. You're all doing very nice. Keep your eyes closed. Deep, loose fist in front of your shoulders. ढीली मुट्ठी कंधों के आगे. कोहनियां शरीर को छूती हुई. कोहनियां शरीर से लगी हों. Your elbow should be touching the rib cage. Your fists are loose. मुट्ठी ढीली है, कसी भी नहीं है. पहले एक साधारण सांस लें. A normal breath in. A little more. And breathe out. Empty your stomach fully. And together. In, out. In, out. In, out. With closed eyes. In, out. 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 And relax. Keep your eyes closed. Open palm on your knees. Observe the sensations and flow of energy inside the body. शरीर में जो ऊर्जा का प्रवाह है, वहां ध्यान रखें. शरीर ढीला, चेहरे पर मुस्कान. Smile on the face. Body is relaxed. Enjoy this fountain of energy in the body. पूरी तरह अंतर्मुखी. शरीर में जो भी है, जो भी संवेदना है, वही ध्यान। एक और आखिरी राउंड करते हैं। ढीली मुट्ठी कंधों के आगे, कोहनियां शरीर को लगती हुई, लूज फिस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ शोल्डर्स, elbows touching the rib cage, a big smile on the face. First take a normal deep breath in, little more, and breathe out. खाली करें पेट को अच्छे से, एक साथ पूरे जोश में, in, out, 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 and relax. आंखें बंद रखें, खुली हथेलियां घुटनों पर, हथेलियां आकाश की ओर, open palm on your knees, your palms are facing the sky, all your attention is inside the body. सारा ध्यान शरीर के अंदर, ऊर्जा के प्रवाह पर. Feel the flow of energy, the fountain of energy moving up. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Relax your breath. Keeping your eyes closed, just observe the expansion in the body. See the difference in your mind, your thoughts before doing the practice and after the practice. See how thoughts are settled now. There's more expansion in your lungs. Your body is more relaxed. Just observe whatever difference is there before the practice and after the practice. Take another deep breath in and let go. Relax more and more. शरीर ढीला, मन ढीला. Become aware of your body and the surroundings. अपने शरीर और वातावरण के प्रति सजग हो. Slowly and gradually, with a big smile on your face, you may open your eyes. Wow, nice. How was it? You want to type your experience in the chat box, and Atika ji can take some questions before we get into meditation. Fabulous. Yeah. Really great, feeling light. Good. Atika ji can take it. You're on mute, Atika ji.
All right, sorry. So wonderful. Very
And you can see a lot of reply.
Yes. How many times should we do it? We're going to tell you everything.
On the
Nice feeling. Soul changing. Okay, Ankit. Okay. So you know what you did? What is this called? It is also known as the instant energizer. So we take a lot of these corporate programs. We do a lot of courses for the IITs, IIMs, where instead of going for a coffee break, they just do 3 rounds of Bhastrika. It is that powerful an energizer. Yeah. Right now we can't see you, so we could not correct your breath or anything. But once you learn it properly in a workshop, you will be able to do this just in 5 minutes, and you can instantly energize yourself. Yeah. So what did we do right now? Do you know? So suppose, I want to ask you certain questions and I want you to start writing with me. Suppose I ask you right now, at this point in your life, okay, आप जिस भी अपने जीवन के किसी भी स्तर पे है, किसी भी लेवल पे है, अब आपको क्या चाहिए? व्हाट आर यू लुकिंग फॉर इन लाइफ राइट नाउ? तो आपका क्या आंसर होगा? मुझे जल्दी से टाइप करके बताओ. व्हाट डू यू वांट इन योर लाइफ? क्या चाहिए जीवन
Peaceful
में? अब
life.
क्या चाहिए? पीस चाहिए, पीस चाहिए. करियर ग्रूमिंग चाहिए, और क्या चाहिए? पीस चाहिए, और क्या चाहिए? पीस चाहिए, और क्या? गुड हेल्थ, हैप्पीनेस चाहिए, और क्या? पीसफुल सोल, व्हाट एल्स? वेल्थ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वेल्थ के बिना नहीं, कुछ हो नहीं सकता. गुड हेल्थ चाहिए, सफिशिएंट वेल्थ चाहिए, हैप्पीनेस चाहिए, satisfaction चाहिए. वंडरफुल, excellent, excellent. Professional growth. All right, yeah, I'll talk in English also. Solace chahiye, you want stability, you want good health, you want healthy body and thought. Okay, I got the point. Wonderful. So when you say you want good health, you want wealth, you want good career growth, you want opportunity, uh, what exactly are you saying? Aap kya keh rahe ho? Ultimately, what are you looking for? You're looking for something called the peace of mind, right? Now, when you say you want peace of mind, my next question to you is, have you ever seen your mind? आपने अपने मन को देखा है क्या? Even your doctor hasn't seen the human mind. What has the doctor seen? The human brain, but not the human mind. Now, when you haven't seen the human mind, how to get this peace of mind? आप इतने लोगों ने लिखा मुझे मन की शांति चाहिए, peace चाहिए. How? That is the question which Pawanji just answered. Yeah. How to get this peace of mind is only possible to reach this mind with one tool which all of us have, and that is your breath. आपकी एक श्वास ही एक ऐसी चीज है जिसे आप एक टूल के भांति यूज कर सकते हो to reach the mind. And there is a very strong breath and mind connection. You want to see how? So, have you observed your breath when you're very upset and when you're very angry? How's your breath when you're very angry and upset? Write it down and tell me. आपकी श्वास कैसी होती है जब आप बहुत गुस्से में होते हो?
बहुत हार्ड होती है एक तरह से, मतलब
फास्ट होती है. फास्ट, yes, everybody is writing. Very high, stressful, yes. Speedy, yes. And how's your breath right now when you're listening to us? You're sitting in this webinar, you're listening with your sitting with your family, calm, cool, relaxed, quick. Okay, relaxed now. Yes. So you see, your breath has a direct connection with your emotions. Now, as a chartered accountant, you're going through a lot of stress, as Deepak ji was telling us. You have to meet deadlines. आपके clients कभी deadlines meet नहीं करते जो आप देते हो उनको. But you are supposed to meet all the deadlines. Yes or no? Yes, right? And
Yes.
that can be so stressful. Yeah. No, there is only one thing which can get you out of this stress, is not what I'm saying, not by listening to me or by going through a very high profile YouTube videos or reading a self-help book. It's only working with your breath which can get you out of these stressful situations and these emotions which are so negative at times. You get frustrated, you get angry, you get upset. And whenever you get frustrated and angry, a toxin is produced in your body and that gets deposited in your cells. आपकी कोशिकाओं में जम जाता है ये toxin. जैसे पवन जी बता रहे थे, 80% of your body toxins is actually coming out when you're breathing out. ये जो जमा हुआ toxin है, it can come out only through your breath. और अगर हम अपनी श्वास का यूज नहीं करते, या then this toxin can come out in the form of your diseases. बीमारियों का रूप लेके ये निकलता है. आप नोटिस करना, those of you who are in the profession, जिनके irregular hours हैं, आप दिन भर काम करते हो, ना अपनी फिकर, ना फैमिली की, you are just stuck in your books. आप नोटिस करना आपको कितनी जल्दी हाई बीपी, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, डायबिटीज, ये सब बीमारियां लगने लगती है. दोज ऑफ यू हु आर वाचिंग मी, और जिनको देखो अभी ऑलरेडी कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल, बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ने लग गया, स्टैटिन्स पे आ गए हो, ये शुरुआत है आपकी. Yeah, so these are all the toxins coming out in the form of diseases, because these diseases are all psychosomatic, related to your mind and your lifestyle. Got it? Okay, so what we did right now was how to use our breath. One technique which Pavanji taught us is how to use our breath to flush out these toxins from the system. There are many such techniques. Okay, so before I don't know.
Didi, I just have a question here.
Yes.
That this was just a glimpse, right? And we experienced it, right? But how do we learn about it? How do we go deeper into it? Like, what are the sources? What can the art of living do for us professionals, especially to have this stress-free life, or let's say manageable stress?
Right, right. So, Sunny, thank you for asking me this question. But this cannot be learned in one session. Okay, this is something which you need. There are 3 or 4 type of breathing which you need to do. It will take you, once you learn it, it will take you only 5-10 minutes to do it every day, followed by something called the Sudarshan Kriya, and then to meditate. So yoga, pranayam, and meditation, especially with the help of Sudarshan Kriya, can help you release these toxins. And we are doing a program, a 4-day program, starting on 10th to the 13th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. Me and Pavanji are going to be training you for these. It's a breath and meditation workshop where we will be teaching you these techniques to empty out your toxins and to go into meditation. Yeah. What is meditation? It is like collecting all your spent energy and putting it back inside you so that you can work better, you can earn better, you can live better. Yeah. It is an online workshop. So Ramachandranji, wherever you are, whether in Chennai or in Thiruvananthapuram or in Delhi or Agra, you can still learn it online. And it is a 2-hour workshop for 4 days. हमने 2 batches रखे हैं. सवेरे 8 से 10 एक batch. अगर ये सूट करता है, you can join this 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. or in the evening, working hours. Evening is 6 p.m. to 8 p.m.
6:30 to 8:30.
Yeah. 6:30 to 8:30.
6:30 to 8:30 p.m. Yeah. So either of these 2 batches you can join. So now I open the floor to any questions that you have while you were listening to me and Pavanji. If you have any questions, maybe Sunny can read it out. Yes, Sangamji, you can ask.
Pavanji, I was looking for a long time that your face is very much shining. The impact of this Kriya only, sir? Is something else?
I do facial every day. Actually, my wife is very kind, and Atika ji knows it. She does make sure that I do facial every day. So you're right. I do free facial, which is Sudarshan Kriya. I do every day. Absolutely. That's the reason for all the shine. So you're actually going to save a lot of money for yourself and for the family because you don't have to go to the beauty parlors.
I actually joined my wife too.
So people are asking questions.
Sunny, sorry to interrupt. One more thing.
Yes.
If you want, we can unmute few people and they can ask your queries live as well. So we have that facility as well.
Shall we do that?
Pavanji and Atika ji, if we can do.
I think Sunny, firstly answer Q&A box first, then we can go on that part. Is it fine, Deepak ji?
In the meantime, I'll just open so that will also take time. So, Sunny, there are 2-3 queries in the Q&A. You can take these queries, and in the meantime, I will unmute the participant, those who want to ask queries.
Sure.
Friends, if you want to ask any query, if you have any question, just raise your hand like we are doing in other sessions. There is an option of raise hand. Just raise hand. We will allow you to speak.
Yes.
Neha Agarwal. Sorry, you can continue.
So, Atika, one question which is received as yet is why huge number of people or meditators are crazy about opening their third eye, that is 6th chakra. Why all meditators have final goal to open their eyes? Someone is your knowledge?
This chakra is related to your awareness And what we teach you, you don't even have to open this. You will be taking care of all the energy centers. All the 7 chakras are taken care of when you learn Sudarshan Kriya. And that will really, really keep your energy levels high. It'll keep you in harmony and balance. So it is not just about this chakra, which is important, the third eye. Logon ne pad rakha hai. But I would say first start opening your Mooladhara chakra, the first one. So come and start from the bottom.
Atika ji, I have a question here. So, like there are 2 types of meditation. I'm not sure, it might be more than that. What is difference between meditation with third eye and meditation with the breath?
So, when you work with your breath, okay, that technique is not meditation, it is pranayama.
Okay.
So, when you do pranayama, then it is very easy to go into meditation, any form of meditation. And meditation with the third eye is one type of meditation.
Okay.
Okay. But the idea, the main thing here is to go into meditation, because there is what, you know, what you're saying, ki Pavanji's face is shining. It's because he meditates every day. And how does he go into meditation? Is because he does pranayam and then slips into meditation automatically. And then the benefits come, you know, of meditation are whatever, you know, you're walking, talking, the impact of your words on other people, your skin will have the first impact. All these things will start to happen.
You know, I just wanted to add one thing to what Atika ji just said. You know, I'm from the same community that all of us are, right? You know, and our profession is a lot stressful all the time. You know, irrespective of whatever is happening in the world, good or bad, our job is always stressful. So, you know, the same situation was there with me also. And people used to actually not, you know, take the route of my cabin. They used to go away from my cabin because there was so much arrogance. There was so much anger. There was so much of frustration that was always there in me. So that was reflecting in my personality. All, you know, some people say that we are spreading emotional garbage all the time. So it was the same thing happening with me also. And this 12 years that I've been doing this practice, you know, immediately within 1 month or 2 months of doing the course, I started feeling that people started liking coming and sitting with me. So, you know, that kind of transformation happens. As you become free of stress, people start liking your company. Otherwise, people go away, and your ability to manage yourself also becomes. So, I mean, I'm a practical example in front of you, you know, who's been from the profession and going through the same ups and downs and deadlines and new regulation and everything. It's the same thing happening all the time for me also.
So, Neha Agarwal ji, you can unmute yourself and speak and ask your query. And जिसको भी अपनी query पूछनी है, you can see one button, अपना हाथ उठाए, just click on that button, raise hand, then you can ask your query from Pavan ji or Atika ji, जिसको भी अपनी query पूछनी है about health, anything, whether in English or Hindi, आप अपना hand raise कीजिए and then we will unmute you, you can speak. So
Deepak, just before Neha enters, there are a lot of people who are asking like how to enroll in this program or something. They have queries.
Please explain.
So I'll just simply tell you, we'll share the details. Deepak ji will share the details after the course as well, and we'll show it a later part as well. And if you have any questions, you want to know anything about this program, or you want to join, or any doubts or sort of doubt, you can simply contact me at 9871 446 777. Say hi on WhatsApp. I'll again repeat the number if you want to note it down. 9871 446 777. Say hi on WhatsApp and I'll get back to you for sure. Each one of you. Now let's continue.
So if I unmuted 3-4 people here, one is Neha Agarwal, one is Concept Wires, one is G94. If you have any queries, you can ask. Rakesh Kalra ji is also there. Rakesh, you can ask your query. And if there's no query, then we can take queries from the Q&A. If you do not want to ask personally here, if you're feeling any shy, then there has been queries on the Q&A. So how to control BP and diabetes? What is the name of yoga that you have just said for shining skin? Pavanji, this question is for you. What is the name of the yoga that you just said?
I think Atika ji already told you guys the secret. You know, the secret is Sudarshan Kriya. That is the yoga and meditation and breathing technique that I follow religiously every day for the past 12 years. And that has transformed me. So, you know, it is not just the shining skin. See, what you're seeing is only the external. You know, more important is that the internal is shining. That is the most important thing. If internal is shining, calm, peaceful, happy, enthusiastic, then whatever comes out automatically is shining and bright. Yeah.
So this is one more question in the Q&A.
Sir, I must tell you, he's a CA, and like you people, he should be busy the whole day. But believe me, he gets time to work for the NGO also, the Art of Living Foundation. We are all volunteers, okay? And Pavanji works like more than 2 hours every day with us as a volunteer team. We are organizing these workshops and doing so much for the daily wage earners. So the money that you will be donating this workshop, which is 1,200 rupees, is going for providing food for the daily wage earners. Okay, so we are all doing seva in this organization, and we are teaching the Sudarshan Kriya also.
राकेश कालरा जी want to ask something. राकेश जी आप unmute हैं, बोल सकते हैं आप अपनी query.
Yes, sir. My question with Adhika ji,
Yes.
that why the meditators, all meditators want to open their sixth chakra like third eye, whereas the seventh chakra, that is called crown chakra, which is much more powerful than six chakras. So, but the meditator not talking about the seven chakras.
Because
May I know the reason?
how did you come to how did you become a chartered accountant? You started from the nursery, right?
Yes.
So you have to start somewhere. It happens one by one. You can't suddenly open the top crown chakra. You suddenly can't become a chartered accountant if you had not studied in your school, in college, and then your chartered accountancy. It's the same thing. It's one step at a time.
So that is my question. Because the huge number of the people, they have the final goal to achieve this, that is to open the third eye. But even my question is the seventh chakra, that is crown, which is much more powerful than third eye. So why they not have set the goal to open the seven chakras?
See, I really don't know. I don't want to comment about something which is so deep in a one answer. But I would definitely say once the sixth chakra opens, then ultimately it is the seventh, the Sahasrara, which is the Sat Chit Anand, which makes you reach that enlightened self. Yeah. And that is the ultimate destination for all human beings. So what is the point in talking about it? So let's do one by one. Let's reach the sixth chakra at least. And then ultimately, जिनका खुला होता है ना, वो इसके बारे में बात नहीं करता.
Do you know someone who have opened this?
Let me not say that, but I only know my Gurudev, and I mean, I have had many experiences with him, which tell me that he's an enlightened being on this planet. So I'm very grateful for that, to having met somebody like that in my lifetime.
So let's go to the next question.
Yes.
Ajay ji, Trini ji, Sugandha, you all are unmute and can speak if you have any query.
Yeah, Atika ji. Hello.
Yes, please, I can hear you.
Yeah. Atika ji, like you are saying about the program for the 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th.
That's
so
right.
This workshop is covering all the aspects for the meditation, or what is the basic purpose of this workshop?
So I will tell you what this workshop entails. We are going to be giving you lifestyle skills. So what does a chartered accountant or a business professional needs in his lifestyle? He needs to start his day with some yogic exercises. He needs to learn some pranayamas. He needs to learn how to meditate so that he can emotionally detox, mentally detox himself. He needs to learn about nutrition. What kind of food should he eat during the day? Yes. And the fifth and last but not the least, some golden sutras which can help him lead his life and reach to the pinnacle of success in terms of money, in terms of relationship, in terms of being a good citizen of India and the world for that matter. So this is an entire capsule which we give you in 4 days. It's a holistic program which we are giving you for all.
But where we are running for the wealth, we are also again indulging in materialistic world and thereby inviting stress and all the things.
Right.
So in this time of ours and in this epidemic situations,
Right.
I think we should concentrate more on yoga and peace rather than we should go in for more earnings and other things.
You know, sir, I didn't hear your name. Ajay ji, what I'm saying is that everything is interrelated. Okay, till you are in balance and in harmony through your yogic practices, this material comfort will not come because you will not have a body to earn it or enjoy it. So it is both complementary. Let's not, of course, you're right that in these times when people are so anxious, it is a good idea to focus on yoga, focus on meditation, and make yourself physically and mentally strong. So I totally agree with you. But after the lockdown opens up, this physical body and this mental strength will help you to earn the money, which is equally essential. So there is nothing wrong with that also. So it goes hand in hand. But yes, you're right. This is the time to focus and go inwards and make ourselves really strong through these practices.
Friends, I'm getting many query from the people that they're asking whether session is over. कुछ लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या session over हो गया because हमने Q&A लेने start कर दिया है. Session over नहीं हुआ है. हम Q&A इसलिए ले रहे हैं कि still there is half an hour meditation is still pending, which Sunny ji will tell when we'll start for meditation by the Sri Ravi Shankar ji. So once we will do that meditation, after that we do not want to take the Q&A. We just want to go in the peace in our soul. सो इसलिए ही हम क्वेश्चन आंसर अभी ले रहे हैं, बाद में कोई भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं लेंगे. सो स्टिल आपके पास कोई क्वेरीज है तो यू कैन आस्क क्वेरीज. देन लास्ट हाफ एन आवर वी विल गो फॉर द मेडिटेशन वंस अगेन. सो सेशन अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है, सेशन विल क्लोज आफ्टर 1. सो कोई भी क्वेरीज है आप पूछ सकते हैं, बाद में कोई क्वेरीज नहीं होगी, बाद में वी विल डू ओनली मेडिटेशन अगेन फॉर हाफ एन आवर.
And after meditation also we'll share the details if you have anything. So we are not adamant, but question answer nahi hoga. Acha Didi, can we Deepak ji, can we share this screen with all the participants if they have
yes, we can share, but there are two questions pending.
Yes, please.
We can take first.
Sure.
One question is, I have heard from few that Sudarshan Chakra creates a lot of energy. If you are not done properly, it brings adverse effect, especially in women. So how far it is true?
I would like to definitely tell you one thing for 100% surety. I've been practicing Sudarshan Kriya for the past 17 years now, and I have not had any adverse effects. And I started like you all as a practitioner. I did a program and I started doing it. और मैंने कई बार गलत भी किया होगा, लेकिन इसका कोई भी नेगेटिव इफेक्ट मुझे तो नहीं आया, बल्कि बहुत ही पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट था. I used to be a chronic case of pharyngitis. I used to be on antibiotics 12 months in a year, and my total pharyngitis, गले के पीछे पस पड़ जाता था, बुखार रहता था, you know, all that, वो पूरा जड़ से निकल गया. It totally got wiped out of my life. And now in today's time, I don't take a single antibiotic. I don't take any such drugs. I only take homeopathy or Ayurveda medicines if weather change में मुझे कुछ सर्दी जुकाम होता है तो. So that it has been a major change in my life. Sudarshan Kriya has been.
And one more query we have, Dinesh Kumar is asking, how to control anger. It is my biggest weakness. Usually I get angry when some either tries to cheat me or cheat the institution which provides them bread and butter professionally. So I am very successful person, but I want to control my anger.
Pavanji, would you like to take that?
Yeah. So, I think Atika ji just now said very beautifully that right now what is happening is any negative emotion, it is not just anger. It could be any negative emotion that is coming. What does it do? It changes the pattern of our breath. And that is exactly where we have to reverse the process. And what Sudarshan Kriya is a rhythmic breathing practice. And once you learn that, you actually reverse the process by taking control of the breath. So once you take control of the breath, automatically all the negative emotions, they get synchronized. It is like a guitar which is untuned. When the guitar is not tuned well, usme se shor aata hai. The same guitar, when you tune it, there's a beautiful music that comes out. It's the same thing. Anger is nothing but a distorted form of love, peace that we are already. Our nature is peace and love. So it gets distorted and it becomes anger and all hatred and all these negative emotions. So, the Sudarshan Kriya, that is amazing to really reverse this process. So to answer your question, Dineshji, simple answer is once you do breathing exercise, Sudarshan Kriya, your anger automatically will get taken care of. And not just anger, all the negative emotions.
So
we were talking about the diseases Atika ji was talking about. I just wanted to let you guys know that I was a chain smoker about 13 years back. Smoking almost like 60 cigarettes for 25 years. I'd smoke 25, 30, 60, up to 60 cigarettes a day. My lungs were finished, absolutely finished. So physically and mentally, I used to be drained. And it was a vicious circle. And, Sudarshan Kriya really helped me get rid of all this habit of smoking. And 12 years, I've not been smoking. My lungs are repaired. Now I do yoga. I actually now teach yoga also. So, everything can be repaired, but just that we have to carry on with some practice, with dedication.
This is one common question: how much time we need to do yoga, and what is the exact time? Is there a specific time that there are 2-3 queries on the same topic?
So right now, don't get bogged down by all these limitations. कि time कितना लगेगा, क्या होगा, कैसे करेंगे, इतना काम रहता है. आप शुरुआत करो. आप दिन में कभी भी कर लो. आपको जब time मिले आप कर लो. So right now, don't get bogged down with all these things. Okay, but सुदर्शन क्रिया अगर आप सीख लेते हो, इसको करने में आपको 20 से 25 मिनट लगेंगे. Yeah, this whole process of Sudarshan Kriya, it'll take you about 20 minutes every day. And I'm sure 20 minutes you can take out for yourself. Yeah. And
yes.
Once you learn to meditate, 5-10 minutes और जोड़ दो उसमें, that's it. So half an hour तो हम अपने लिए निकाल ही सकते हैं. So you must do it. And right now is the time, looking like जब मैंने ये कोर्स किया था तो लोग मुझे कहते थे, अरे at such a young age you are doing all this. ये तो हम जब, my friends used to tell me, when we are going to be 60, we'll think about meditation. And now the same friends are coming and doing the course with me. You know why? Because it is meditation which gives you clarity of mind. It is meditation which will help you take the right decision at the right time. Yeah, because otherwise there is so much clutter of thoughts. हमें 1 minute में there are about 50-60 thoughts that come into the mind. And in those 50-60 thoughts, there are times when you have the solution to your problem, but you're not able to catch that solution. Because 1 minute में 50-60 विचार आए, उनमें से एक विचार वो हमारे काम का था, उसको हम पकड़ नहीं पाते. तो जब आप ध्यान लगाने लगते हो, in 1 minute, you will just have about 5 to 8 to 10 thoughts. And then it is easy, and sometimes not even those many. So then it becomes easy to catch the right thought and implement it in your life. Yeah, so these things, तो इसमें आप ना ये मत सोचो कि मैं टाइम लगा रहा हूँ, ये इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ मैं ये टाइम. You're investing your half an hour every day so that you can look better, feel better, earn better, and be in harmony with yourself and your family. तो ये तो बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस है. इसमें तो कोई मतलब सोचना ही नहीं चाहिए हमको. You're getting my point?
Yes. Now I think there is no more questions pending. So Sunny, when can we start that meditation again? Your voice is not audible. Please unmute yourself.
I think we can just share this slide for the benefit of the all, and then we can move on to meditation.
Sure.
Right, Didi?
Yes, please. Yes.
So is this visible, this slide?
Not started. We cannot see screen, but your screen share has been started.
You can see it now, I believe.
Yes, now we can see.
So here are the, Didi, can you take us through this slide?
Yeah. Okay. So these are the program details. So date है 10 से 13, 10th May to 13th May. It's starting on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. Time, 2 times है that you can choose any of the 2. Morning batch is 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. So before you start your work, you register. ये registration link है. आप इस पे क्लिक करोगे आप रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हो. और इवनिंग बैच है 6:30 PM to 8:30 PM आफ्टर योर वर्किंग आवर्स. या और अगर फिर भी आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा है, यू प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट सनी हु इज देयर विद अस. His number and his email ID is here for you.
And so you can contact Sunny and you can contact us as well. If you
Yes.
have any query, we will connect you with the Sunny and Adhika ma'am. And
So-
one more query people have. These sessions will be on the Zoom or like people are asking, all the sessions will be there or there will be some other platform?
No. So this will all be on Zoom as of now.
Okay, so I've got one or two confirmation that Mr. Rajat Bhatia is saying he has already registered just now for morning session.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
And I'm also going to register for the morning session.
Wow. Deepak ji, मैं यही कहने वाली थी. We would like both of you to register with Pratibha ji also to register for this.
Sure, we will both register. Once this over, then I'll register.
So just want to ask, say participants that don't worry, you will get the information about the course from Deepak ji and Sangam ji in your groups. Am I right, Deepak ji?
Yes,
After
yes.
the session, yes. So don't worry about it. Now let's enjoy the meditation with Gurudev.
Yeah.
Sure.
So Deepak ji,
You can share your screen, sir.
okay, then it will take a minute.
Yeah, sure,
allow-
sure. We
allow
are
me a
waiting.
minute.
Yeah.
Sure, please. Did you even talk other things meanwhile?
The links for the course are also, they've also been posted in the chat box. So if you all want to take from there, they're there in the chat box as well.
And in the meantime, one or two pending questions are there. Nitin ji is asking what is difference between Vipassana and meditation? Vipassana and meditation.
So I'm sorry, the only spiritual practice which I have done in my life is Sudarshan Kriya. So I can only tell you the difference if I had done Vipassana. I have not dhan Vipassana. So I'm sorry. Pavanji would.
No, same here actually. I've always, I have done only one, but I feel that, the goal of every discipline is the same. The technique is different. Raaste thode farak hai. But, Art of Living resonated with me because I thought it takes care of the holistic living style. It's like Kartika ji was saying, it gives you knowledge of how to deal with situations. It gives you practice and tool how to manage your mind better. And it gives a holistic lifestyle, including yoga and everything. So I think it's a complete discipline and therefore, it resonated with me as a professional. And that's why I thought that, why keep it to myself? I would rather share it with my other professional friends and colleagues as well.
There's one more query. Is asthmatic patients can get the benefit by Sudarshan Kriya?
Yes, absolutely. We will tell you how to, when you will be doing Sudarshan Kriya with us, we will tell you certain things, how you have to do them differently. That's all.
And one more query is that whether meditation will help in reducing weight as well, as most of the CAs are bulky.
I guarantee you that Sudarshan Kriya, most of the time you are stressed and that's why you're putting on weight. Yeah, it is due to something called the adrenal fatigue. I'm going to be talking about that in the workshop. It is the adrenal fatigue because of which your hormonal system goes for a toss and because of which you are putting on weight. It's not the amount you're eating. Yeah. So Sudarshan Kriya, when it takes off the stress from your system, your weight also comes down.
And one last question, I guess, is below 8 children are allowed for this workshop?
So the workshop that we are giving is for 18 years and above. There is a different workshop for children and teenagers. We can tell you about that also later on.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
So okay, tell me if the voice is also clear.
ऐसे इस संसार में जो कुछ
Clear.
Yes.
Let's continue with the meditation now.
हमारी दिल अपने आप धड़कती है, सांस अपने आप आ जाती है, हम तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are doing nothing, we cannot do anything either. So let us close our eyes, आंखें बंद कर लें.
सनी जी के अलावा सब लोग अपना म्यूट कर लेंगे तो क्लैरिटी ज्यादा अच्छा आएगा.
अपना जो भी कर सके कर लिया है और जो हम कर रहे हैं इसके भी प्रेरणा सिर्फ वह एक परमात्मा है, ईश्वर तत्व है। All that we did, we have done, and we do, and even to inspire us to do, make us do what we want to do, is from the divine force. Relax your whole body. सब श्रम को छोड़ दीजिए, परिश्रम छोड़ दें, कुछ नहीं करना है, केवल विश्राम करें। As you relax, your mind expands and occupies the entire room. जैसे आप विश्राम करते हैं, बैठे बैठे मन फैलने लगता है, चारों ओर फैलने लगेगा, फैलने दीजिए मन को। आंखें बंद रखिए, कंधों को ढीला छोड़ दें, सिर्फ हमारी सूचनाओं को सुनते जाएं। शरीर बाती है तो मन, शरीर बाती है तो मन ज्योति है। A body is like the wick of a candle. The mind is like the glow all around it. Spread your mind to both sides, left side and right side of you. Like the bird, it opens its wings to soar high. Let your mind, like a wing, move to both the sides, far. Let your mind be spread to 1 meter on both sides. Take a deep breath in and relax. मन को दोनों तरफ फैलने दीजिए, दाहिने तरफ, बाएं तरफ। जैसे एक पक्षी अपनी दोनों पंखों को पसारती है, ऐसे 3 फुट दूरी तक आपका मन फैला हुआ है, ऐसे मान लें। अब गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़िए। मन फैली हुई दोनों तरफ पंख के जैसे, और बीचों बीच आप सांस ले रहे हैं, छोड़ रहे हैं। 10 गहरी सांस लेते और छोड़ते हैं। 10 long deep breaths we take and we breathe out. Now relax and let go all your effort. अब सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें, सब कल्पनाओं को छोड़ दें, सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें, कुछ भी न करना है। इस वक्त कुछ भी नहीं करना है, केवल विश्राम। जो भी विचार आ रहे हो मन में, आने देना, उन सब को गले लगाते जाए। Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just accept them all. Welcome all the thoughts. किसी भी विचार को रोकना नहीं। सिर के चोटी पर ध्यान ले जाए। Let us take our attention to the top of the head. Become aware of the empty space above the head. सिर के ऊपर जो खाली जगह है उसका भी स्मरण कर ले। मन को वहां रखें, छत तक की दूरी पर अपने मन को रखते हैं। Become aware of the space above your head up to the ceiling. Ceiling of the room you are in. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शांति शांति शांति। ईश्वर ही पृथ्वी तत्व के रूप में हमको थामे हुए हैं। ईश्वर ही जल बन के हमारे भीतर बाहर बने हुए हैं। ईश्वर ही उष्णता बनकर हमारे भीतर और बाहर है। ईश्वर भी हवा बन के हमारे भीतर बाहर है। ईश्वर ही आकाश तत्व के रूप में हमें शब्दों का ज्ञान करा रहे। ईश्वर ही मन बन के हमारे साथ है और दुनिया में हर एक में, और वह ईश्वर ही बुद्धि ज्ञान इन सभी रूप में विराजमान। It's the divine which is present as earth, as water, as fire and as air. Divine is present as mind and intellect. आप इसी में आश्रित हो. You are dependent on the life force which is in everything in this universe. Relax and repose in yourself. And slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surrounding. धीरे से अपने शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. गहरी सांस लीजिए और सांस छोड़िए. एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए और सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Another deep breath in, and as you breathe out, you may gently open your eyes.
I think it's a totally eye-opening session for all of us.
Yes, yes. since how did you like the session? Please reply in the chat box. How was this meditation session by Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji? So please reply in the chat box.
पवन जी, मैं कुछ यहाँ बताना चाहूंगा सर। आज मेरी एक फ्रेंड है पूनम, शी वाज सीए, मुझे वर्ड्स यूज करना पड़ रहा है उसके लिए। वो आदर्श नगर में रहती थी, झागीपुरी के पास, एंड टुडे शी डिड सुसाइड एंड शी इज नो मोर। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज की डेट में इतना स्ट्रेस हो गया है, काम का, घर का, वर्क फ्रॉम होम, लोग इतने नेगेटिव हो चुके हैं, इतने डिप्रेस हो चुके हैं कि आगे क्या होगा इकोनॉमी के अंदर, और क्या कैसे बिजनेस चलेंगे, कैसे प्रैक्टिस चलेगी। बट फ्रेंड, मुझे ये लगता है कि हर चीज़ की एक होप होती है, एक उम्मीद होती है। मतलब हमें इतना नेगेटिव भी नहीं सोचना चाहिए, और एटलीस्ट इतना एक्सट्रीम स्टेप तो कभी नहीं लेना चाहिए लाइफ के अंदर कि अपनी लाइफ को ही एंड कर लें। चाहे लाइफ में कितनी भी आपके लिए मुश्किलें आई हों, आपके लिए कितना भी आपने कोई फेस देखा हो। तो मुझे सुबह से ही सुन के, जब से मैंने कोई न्यूज़ पता चली है, उन्होंने अराउंड 7 o'clock ऐसा किया आज उन्होंने मॉर्निंग में, तब से ही मैं बड़ा अपसेट हूँ इसको लेके। और मैं खुद चाहता हूँ अपने सारे प्रोफेशनल फ्रेंड्स से बात शेयर करना कि सर, लाइफ में कोई भी इतनी बड़ी मुसीबत नहीं है कि आपको इतना बड़ा स्टेप उठाना पड़े उसके लिए। चीज़ें आएंगी, चली जाएंगी, चीज़ें ठीक हो जाएंगी। दुनिया ना कभी किसी के आने से या किसी के जाने से रुकी है, चीजें जैसी है वैसे चलती जाएंगी। आप बस थोड़ा सा सब्र रखो, चीजों पे काम करो, चीजें अपने आप ही ठीक हो जाएंगी। ये अगर कोविड-19 की वजह से ऐसा हुआ है, तो जितनी तेजी से चीजें गिरी हैं, मुझे लगता है उससे अच्छी तेजी से, उससे ज्यादा तेजी से चीजें दोबारा उभर के आएंगी। सबको काम करने का मौका मिलेगा, एक एनवायरमेंट मिलेगा, सब चीजें ठीक होंगी। लेकिन डूइंग सुसाइड इज नॉट ए सोल्यूशन फॉर एनीथिंग। तो मेरी अपने सारे पार्टिसिपेंट से इस मीडिया के थ्रू यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप एटलीस्ट इतना एक्सट्रीम इफेक्ट ना लें। आपको कोई भी दिक्कत है, अपने फ्रेंड से बात करें, अपने गुरुओं से बात करें, अपने रिलेटिव से बात करें, बट ऐसा स्टेप ना लें। बस मैं दीपक जी ये ऐड करना चाहता था मैं, जिससे कि थोड़ा लोगों को अवेयरनेस हो जाए चीज के बारे में, क्योंकि आजकल बहुत डिप्रेशन का माहौल बना पड़ा है। मेरे पास भी कम से कम दिन के 10 फोन आते हैं, लोग कहते हैं कि सर आगे बिजनेस कैसे होंगे, कैसे रिटर्न्स भरेंगे, क्लाइंट ही नहीं है, बिजनेस ही नहीं है, इकोनॉमी डाउन पड़ी है, दे आर वेरी मच डिप्रेस। तो somehow I think अगर हम इस आर्ट और लिविंग से जुड़ते हैं, अपना इस स्ट्रेस को कम करते हैं थोड़ा बहुत, तो वो हमारी लाइफ के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। बाकी आप लोग ज्यादा समझदार हैं कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या ना करना चाहिए लाइफ के लिए, तो उस चीज को भी ध्यान में रखते हुए आज का सेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओवर टू दीपक जी।
Friends, like likely said by Sangam ji, art of living, yoga, meditation, these things can, we should be part of, these things should be part of our life. So at least in a day, half an hour or 30 minutes, 1 hour, we can devote on these things. And like I already told that I'm going to join this session, and many of the participants are saying that they have, few of them already registered, and a few of them are asking details of the Saniji, and I've already, Saniji already shared the details. So I think they are really going to join this session and will take the benefit of this session, because this is the time of the lockdown. We should do new things. We should try something new. So like since last 30-35 days, me and Sangamji are doing something new by way of webinar, organizing new webinars. So every day we just think कि कल क्या लेके आए, so that people should come and they enjoy and they utilize their time as well as learn as well. And this is the thing that since we are sitting at home and we're doing nothing, so in morning we can easily devote some time during office hours. Even for me as well, it is difficult to devote 2 hours class, 3 hours class. But now surely one can give 1 hour, 2 hour for these sessions, and later on, once your 4 days class will over, then we can continue these things as guided by Pawanji and Ratika ji ki daily how much time we need to devote once this 4-day session will over. So these things should be part of our life. So, and like Sangam ji said, we should not go for the extreme steps of taking life as a danger and our life as a stake, because we all are chartered accountants. So खाने के अगर सीए बने हैं तो इतना पैसा तो मिल जाएगा कि आप कभी भी खाने के लिए तो दिक्कत नहीं होगी. सो यू कैन सर्वाइव एनी टाइम, कितना भी वर्स्ट सिचुएशन आ जाए. अगर भगवान ने हम सबको सीए की डिग्री दे दी है तो एटलीस्ट सर्वाइवल के लिए किसी को भी मेरे ख्याल से कभी भी जिंदगी में दिक्कत नहीं होने वाली है.
दीपक जी, जस्ट वांटेड टू ऐड हियर, आप में से किसी को भी ऐसा कोई मिले जो इस मोड में हो, तो यू आर बाउंड टू हेल्प देम. आपकी ड्यूटी बनती है आप उन्हें हेल्प करें.
Yes.
अगर वो कोर्स नहीं भी कर सकते, you can call, take them to me, and I can take them to Atika ji, Pawan. We are always there, even if they don't do the course, we are there because we as a society have this moral duty to help them. Am I right, Pawan Bhaiya?
Absolutely. there is, I think Deepak ji, you were just saying, everything that is the most important for our life and survival is free. See, the most important thing for survival is air. Air is free. Sunlight is free. Water is free. And like you said, basic food is also not so difficult to get. So I don't think there is any reason, to struggle. I think the important thing is to manage the mind, because when the mind gets upset, everything, irrespective of whether we have money, resources or not, everything becomes absolutely useless for us. So that is the most important. Managing the mind. Situation outside world we can't handle. But what we can handle is how do we respond to that outside world and the disturbance in the outside world. And that is the technique that you will get from Sudarshan Kriya, that ability to handle the mind irrespective of what is happening outside. That powerful ability, once you get, you don't bother about what is happening outside. COVID or no COVID, everything is absolutely equanimous. You are blissful, peaceful, happy.
Yes.
Yes.
Atika,
Sangam ji, aap bhi kar rahe hain na?
Closing shot, I would like to say that please remember that we are teaching you to be happy. Whatever may happen in your life, we teach you the skill to remain happy and go through that situation. Remember, happiness is more contagious than corona. Okay, happiness is much more contagious than corona, and you can change your entire life, your family's life, if you are happy. Yeah, that's all I want to say. Thank you very much.
Still, if you have any query, we have still 5-7 minutes. If you want to ask, anybody wants to ask any query from Atika ji, Pawan ji.
तो मैं तो एक चीज बोलूंगा दीपक जी, जब मैंने कोर्स किया था 12 साल पहले तो मैं बहुत पछताया था. आप पूछेंगे पछताया क्यों था?
कि पहले क्यों नहीं करा?
कि पहले
क्यों नहीं किया?
Absolutely. So I think everybody who does that has the same feeling.
True.
Even me.
It is so powerful.
Chaitanya, you have any query?
Yeah, Mr. Deepak.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask, when is the right time for meditation? Is it a daylight, or else? Generally people do prefer doing meditation during evenings or in the early mornings, but not in between. Is it if we do in between, maybe in mid-noon something, or 3 or something like that, is it not effective?
So can I answer this?
Sure, please.
Yeah, so understand that the best time to do meditation is at dawn or dusk. Okay, Godhuli samay jisko bolte hain na, at dawn or at dusk. But having said that, any time during the day is good to meditate on a lighter stomach. अगर आप खाने के तुरंत बाद ध्यान करोगे, आपको नींद आ जाएगी and you will fall off to sleep. तो वो 2-3 बजे का समय है, that is the time to do a better meditation. That time is to do योग निद्रा. या योग निद्रा करके थोड़ा सा, स्पेशली आप लोग जो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स हैं, जिनको इतना काम करना होता है, आप लोगों को योग निद्रा जरूर करनी चाहिए, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर एट होम. ओके, जस्ट it is the best way to rest, and that will recharge you and you will be able to take care of your work after your lunch hours. और अगर बहुत ज्यादा रात को आप मेडिटेट करेंगे तो पॉसिबिलिटी है आप इतने एनर्जाइज हो जाओ कि आपको रात की नींद नहीं आए. रात को नींद नहीं आएगी तो नेक्स्ट डे विल बिकम अ लिटिल ग्रॉगी. या so any time of the day you meditate, but on a lighter stomach. So before breakfast, before lunch, before dinner, if you're having dinner by 8:30, that's a very good time to meditate.
Akikin, you have any query? Or Mr. Sahu, you have any query?
Atika ji.
Yes.
Yes, I'm audible.
Yes.
Who is speaking? Please say your name, because Mr. Sahu.
Myself Tarini Charan Sahu. I'm calling from Mumbai.
Right.
Yeah, Sahu, please.
Just wanted to know, actually a lot of things comes to my mind in a particular point of time, in a single 1 minute. So I want to avoid those situations because it creates a lot of disturbance in mind.
Sorry, can you repeat, Mr. Sahu? What did you say?
Yeah, in every minute I am getting a lot of things to my mind.
Yeah.
A lot of,
right.
So I just want to reduce those points. It should I want to reduce that stress. Due to that, I unable to concentrate on anything actually.
Right. So see, basically, Mr. Sahuji, what Taraniji, what you need is a skill as to how to handle these thoughts which are coming. And the best way to handle these thoughts is with the help of your breath. Your breath has a lot of secrets in it.
Okay.
तो सांस के साथ काम करना सीख जाते हैं, you will be able to reduce these unwanted thoughts. You will be able to ward off these unwanted thoughts, and you will be able to focus more on the abundance in your life. Focus more on the positive side of your life. So that will only come as a skill. मैं अभी आपको कुछ शब्द बोल दूंगी, आपको समझ नहीं आएगा. So I would suggest learn a skill to do that. That will help you.
I think daily since last 3-4 years, I am daily doing some kind of exercise, yoga, 15 to 20 minutes on daily basis. But I think it is not helping me out.
So Taraniji, can I request you to do one more time this workshop? Can I ask you to do this workshop and then let us talk about it, whether this helped you or not? So
yeah, sure.
Invest in this and see whether this helps you or not. It has had a very good impact on my life, Pavanji's life, Sunny's life, and we are here and we are volunteers. We are not getting paid for this to conduct this workshop. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
Okay? So we don't have anything to gain out of it, but it has really impacted us, and that is why we are telling you that please do this and then you tell us. Let's talk.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Karthikeyan and Neha Agarwal, who want to speak?
Karthikeyan.
Yeah, Karthikeyan.
Yeah. Deepak ji and Sangam ji, thank you very much for this wonderful program.
Thank you, Karthikeyan.
And I am eagerly waiting for the 3-day course for Art of Living.
Sure.
How to change the world, because I am located in Chennai. In Tamil Nadu, they are open the liquor shops and all. How to do these things, stop these things?
I think Pavanji, why don't you take this? Unmute yourself, please. Unmute yourself.
So thank you. So Karthikeyan ji, I would say, just change yourself, the world will look changed. See, there are a lot of times when our mind is peaceful, we go through the same traffic and we are not bothered. And the same traffic, when the mind is calm and peace and agitated, everything looks topsy-turvy. So, everything is in the mind. So don't worry about others. Just manage yourself. Once you manage, then start spreading happiness. Make at least for me and Atika ji and Sunny ji, our purpose of life is now very simple. Stay happy and spread that happiness. And once that happens, and you can spread happiness only when you are happy. Can you spread happiness if you're yourself not happy? What do you say, Karthikeyan ji? Is that possible?
No, I am happiness only.
So let's, once you're happiness, then you start spreading it.
I am spreading the happiness to all the world.
Fantastic.
Though the world is not changing. That's my thought actually.
Karthikeyan ji, let's keep a positive view.
Maybe this kind of program we can spread over all the world.
Yes.
Then I think the happiness going to come.
Yes, absolutely. We would like you to join hands with us and let's do it together. The world is changing and is going to change even more, because I deal a lot with the youth today, Karthikeyan ji. They are getting more and more in touch with spirituality. They are getting really, you will be surprised to know how the youth is taking to spirituality. We have a lot of youth in our organization, and they're spreading this happiness. They are volunteering for all this work. So things are changing, and let's focus on that. These long queues that you see outside the liquor shop, this is just the way the media is selling their TRPs, raising their TRPs. This is not, India is changing, and it is going to change even for the better. That's the approach I want to keep in my mind.
Vijay Kumar ji, Shiva Kumar, Neha Agarwal, do you have any query? You can speak. You are unmuted.
Thank you, Mr. Deepak Gupta, so conducting a very good session today.
Thank you.
So,
thank you, Shiva.
very exhausting, and I'm waiting for a 3 days session. So thank you very much all, and Sangam Sarji. So thank you.
I hope you have the details of the 3-day program. You've already got it in the chat box. So yeah, thank you. Brijesh Agarwal ji, you would like to say anything? Vijay Agarwal, not Brijesh. Vijay Agarwal ji. Yes, sir.
Hi, sir. Sir, I have query. Like I'm a CA, so I'm into job. So I need to sit for very long hour, 8 to 9 hour. So I think is there any advice for any sitting posture? I think the way we sit, I think it is creating pressure on the backbone. So I think is there any advice for you, like to, so that our muscles get stronger even though we sleep, sit for long hour?
Yeah, Didi, I think Atika ji can answer that very well. Yeah.
You know what you can do is, I will just show it to you. Suppose now these days you're at home, okay?
Right.
The best thing is to keep your spine erect. Can you see me?
Yes.
Suppose you have a cushion. So the best form is to sit with your spine erect. So sit on the edge of your cushion like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it? So the moment you sit on the edge of the cushion, your spine will be erect. And keep your laptop should be, you should not be looking down at your laptop. It should be at your eye level.
Okay.
Okay.
But that is for home, right? What about the office? Like,
make these necessary changes. If you're having a back problem, even your office will understand. You make.
No, ma'am, truly, I don't have any problem because I do exercise for last 15 years.
Right.
Since my school life. But still, I'm wondering for future, like it should not suddenly I've realized I'm getting problem in my back.
No,
so that's I want to go for some proactive action.
Right. I totally understand. So keep your back cushion.
Yeah.
Okay? And keep your laptop at your eye level. Don't put weight on your neck.
Okay, ma'am.
Pawan, do you want to add something?
Yeah, Vijay, thank you very much, Atika ji. I think in addition to what Atika ji just said, what I practice, because I also have similar routine, like you said, Vijay. I have long 10 to 11, day every day in the office. What I do is every 30, 35 minutes, even if there is a meeting going on, I will stand up. So right now, of course, because I'm taking a session, I did not stand up, but everybody in my office also knows that 30, 35 minutes more than that, I will not sit. Anybody comes to my cabin, I'll just stand up and, we just talk. So just making sure you're not sitting. And I think somebody was very nicely saying that the next big disease that is going to come is the disease which is called sitting. So we have to ensure that every half an hour, 45 minutes, even if for some reason, even if you have to take water, just sit and just stand up and go somewhere or walk somewhere. Similarly, your eyes should not be looking only at a 1 feet or 2 feet distance. You should be looking at a little bit of a distance also, far distance also. So these couple of things will just change a lot in your lifestyle. And do some sitting exercises, the desktop yoga, and that we will teach you, during the session that we take, some desktop yoga. Do some of that; it will help you relieve yourself while sitting long.
Every day, the 3-day workshop, the 4-day workshop will start with a desktop yoga. So you will learn a lot of techniques just to practice while you're on the desktop.
Oh, thank you. I just wanted to bring into my subconscious mind, like I should take care of sitting.
Very nice thought.
Very good question, Vijay. I'm glad you brought it up, and we're going to take this up in the class. I'm glad you brought this to us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Adi Sharma ji and Concept Wires Limited. I don't know, sir, your name, but your name appearing is your company name, Concept Wires Limited. Sir, you can speak. Adi Sharma ji, you can also speak.
नमस्कार आप सबको, गुप्ता जी नमस्कार आपको, संगम को। आप इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं लास्ट 1 महीना से और आगे भी करते रहना ये।
थैंक यू सर।
तो ये जो मैडम ने बताया ना भी कि लैपटॉप जो है आपकी आंखों के सामने होना चाहिए, तो मेरे गर्दन में दर्द रहता था, तो मेरे को किसी ने बताया कि भाई आप अपना लैपटॉप को ना 3-4 टेबल से ऊपर रखो। तो मैंने उसके लिए एक लकड़ी का जो है स्टैंड बनवा लिया वैसे बाजार में भी आते हैं इस तरह के स्टैंड, तो आप उस तरह से एक स्टैंड बनवा के लैपटॉप को रखोगे तो आपकी आंखों के सामने रहेगा, जैसे मैडम ने बताया ना, उससे गर्दन में दर्द भी नहीं होगा और जो रीढ़ की हड्डी है वो भी सीधी रहेगी। और जो सर ने बताया पवन जी ने कि भाई आप 20-20-20 का फार्मूला बताते हैं, अगर आप किसी आंखों वाले डॉक्टर के पास जाओ तो, कि 20 मिनट लैपटॉप पे काम करो, 20 मिनट आप उसके बाद 20 मिनट के बाद 20 सेकंड के लिए 20 फुट दूर देखो, है ना?
यस
तो
यस
उससे
यस
काफी रिलीफ मिलेगा। मैं आपका प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ सर, ये जो आप बता रहे हो ना, ये 10 से 13 और सुबह 8 से 10 है ना? थैंक यू।
यस थैंक यू आरडी शर्मा जी, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
Deepak ji, can I request you for one thing, please?
Yeah, sure.
So, all the members who are registering through you, through this talk, if they can also inform you once they register, so that we know how many members of yours are coming to this workshop. It will be a great, way to
Yes.
forge this relationship forward.
Friends, those who have registered in today's program, request you kindly just WhatsApp me that you have registered, so that we can give your request to Atika ji and Pawan ji, and also they will be aware that you have already listened to them, so you have little bit knowledge of yourself. So I have just shared my number in the chat box. 8860779306 is my number. Most of you have already my number. So just WhatsApp me that you have joined the course, and I'll inform Sunny ji, Atika ji, and Pawan ji that you all have joined, those who are participants, so that few things you have already asked here. So they will be also aware that at least you have taken one session already in advance, so they can give importance according to that thing. So please just say you have joined it, so we can inform them. And anything else, Atika ji?
No, that's
Yeah,
it.
I have just one thing to say, that don't be selfish in these times. Don't just do it yourself. Inform your family members, friends, colleagues, staff, so that they can also get benefit.
Concept Wire Limited, do you want to say anything, sir or madam?
No, thank you so much.
No. So thanks a lot, friends. Thank you very much. I think it was a wonderful session, and we all have enjoyed it, and have already taken the 1.5 hour session on the art of living and meditation. Everything we've done it. So most of the people we are joining this course, and it has enlightened us, and काफी अच्छे से हमने एक तरह से अंदर से हमने अपने आप को जाना है एक हाफ एन आवर के मेडिटेशन में. सो आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट अगर हम 2 घंटे मेडिटेशन करते हैं तो हाउ लाइट वी विल फील. आधे घंटे में पवन जी ने, अतिका जी ने बता दिया कि अगर आप 10-15 मिनट भी अगर ये मेडिटेशन कर लेते हो, तो वो करने के बाद आप सबने खुद ने बोला कि यू आर फीलिंग लाइट. सो आप सोचो अगर आप 2 घंटे काम कर लेते हो तो कैसा महसूस करेंगे हम सब लोग. So I'm amazed, and I'm very thankful that Art of Living team came on our platform and giving such a nice deliberation on this topic, and it was excellent to learn a little bit right now, and then surely we will proceed forward for the 4 days course.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pawanji.
Thank you very much.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.